Worried about keeping your blood sugar in check? Let's walk through how to use the CVS Health Advanced Glucose Meter, making managing your diabetes a little easier. First, make sure you have everything you need. Your CVS Health Advanced Glucose Meter test strip specifically designed for this meter, a lancing device, lancets, and some alcohol swabs. Now, insert a test strip into the meter, making sure the contact end goes in first. The meter should automatically turn on. If it doesn't, double check the strip is inserted correctly. Next, clean your fingertip with an alcohol swab and let it dry completely. This helps prevent inaccurate readings. Now, use the lancing device to prick your finger. Adjust the depth setting on your lancing device according to your skin type for the most comfortable experience and adequate blood sample. Gently squeeze your finger to encourage a small drop of blood to form. Don't squeeze to hard, as this can affect the results. Carefully touch the edge of the test strip to the blood drop. The meter will beep or indicate when enough blood has been applied. Make sure the blood fills the test strip window completely. Wait for the meter to display your blood glucose reading. This usually takes just a few seconds. Your reading will appear on the screen. Record your reading in a logbook or app to track your progress and share with your healthcare provider. Remember to properly dispose of the used test strip and lancet in a sharps container.